Yo, Tech Fam, I just built my first generative AI app using Amazon's new PartyRock platform. When I first heard about it, I couldn't wait to try out this intuitive new playground for creating apps powered by AI. Let me tell you what I found out. Come on in, Tech Fam, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, you already know. For those of you who haven't heard yet, PartyRock is a web-based tool that lets anyone build fun generative AI apps without needing the code. It's all made possible by Amazon Bedrock, which provides easy access to powerful foundation models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and more. When I first got started, I just wanted to dive in and get my hands dirty with some of that good generative AI play. And so what I did was I just went to the app generator and decided I'm just going to try to create something that came straight to the top of my head. And that was, what would a poor man need to get rich? And so I just typed that in to the generator and generated this app. Very quickly, we have an app here. And the title is The Poor Man's Guide to Getting Rich. The AI came up with that title itself. A guide to getting rich for someone without money. Well, that seems to be right on point there. So let's see what it's going to ask us here. It's going to ask us for a user background. Tell us a bit about your background and skills. And then it's going to give us some key mindsets and some key skills and an initial plan and even a picture to inspire us. And there's a chat bot at the bottom. I can ask questions. So this looks pretty good here. So let's give it a background. The whole process took less than 15 minutes and required zero coding ability. PartyRock has pre-built templates and drag and drop tools that make app creation super intuitive. I was blown away by how quickly I could go from idea to working prototype in just a matter of minutes, really. Once the Poor Man's Guide to Getting Rich was done generating, I got to go in and type in some scenarios to see what kind of information the app would give me. Let's give it a scenario. I'm a 26-year-old. I live with my parents. I enjoy playing video games and interacting on social media. What can you tell me about getting rich? Let's see what it comes up with. So we'll just wait for it to finish. Indicator here shows that it's still thinking. Okay, it looks like it's done. Here are 3 mindsets a poor 26-year-old living with parents could develop to potentially become financially stable. This should be interesting. Once I was happy with that, all I had to do was press share to publish it and get a custom link. Now anyone can try my app in their browser in seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and click make public and share. And I will share a link to this app in the description of this video so that anyone who watches this video can go and check it out. The PartyRock platform lets you easily share what you've built to inspire others. Building this first app gave me just a taste of the potential you can unlock as it relates to creativity by using generative AI. With PartyRock, you can generate personalized playlists, analyze recipes, optimize budgets, and so much more. The possibilities are really endless, and I got some good ideas that I'm going to be working on, so stay tuned if you want to see those. For all those tech enthusiasts out there who have no access to build with AI, this is a dream come true. I can also edit the prompt for the image. It says a 32K UHD motivational image showing someone with a background, user background, finally becoming rich. So I can change this to after becoming rich and see what it does. Now that is just one word I changed, and this just goes to show you how drastic the results can change for LLMs based on, look at that. I changed one word and look at the difference in the image, right? So this is why prompting is so important to get exactly what you're looking for. I can't wait to continue experimenting with different foundational models and honing my prompting skills. PartyRock makes it possible for anyone to start shaping the future of AI today. So if you're eager to get your hands on some generative AI like me, head over to partyrock.aws and sign up for a free trial. Let's build the future together. What kind of PartyRock app do you think you'll create first? Let me know in the comments. And until the next video, Tech Fam, peace.